Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome to our today's online class. I am your English teacher and my name is Muriam Begum. I will be take in your English class 7 in English for today. Unit 9 Climate Change Lesson 5 What happens in Bangladesh. In this picture, what we can notice, we notice that global warming and climate change. That means what happens in Bangladesh. Before we start today's lecture, we will be looking in today's learning outcomes of these lessons when we have finished it. So let's see the outcomes. Infer the keywords and try to understand. Read and understand text. Ask and answer questions. Keywords. Coastal. Coastal means near a coast. Deforestation. Deforestation means the act of cutting down or burning the trees in an area. Next, salinity. Salinity is the saltness of a body of water. Dear students, read the passage. Bangladesh is already experiencing the adverse impacts of global warming and climate change. Summer are becoming hotter and the monsoon is irregular. There are untimely heavy rainfalls causing water loggings and landslides. Among other impacts are frequent floods, river erosion, crop damage due to drought, prolonged cold spells, salinity of water in the coastal areas, etc. Climate change has already started bringing disaster to Bangladesh. We remember the damage caused by the Aila in 2009. Climate change victims are increasing in number every day. Global warming causes changing climate. This is our earth and this is our country Bangladesh. We know Bangladesh already experiences the adverse impacts of global warming and climate change. Hotter summer, irregular monsoon, heavy rainfall, water logging, landslide, flood, crop damage due to drought and salinity, erosion, river and coastal, storm, Aila in 2009. People becomes homeless. Answer the questions. What is the name of cyclone that hit Bangladesh in 2009? Ayla is the name of cyclone that hit Bangladesh in 2009. Number 2. Who lost their homes permanently? People of river bank and coastal areas are lost their homes permanently. Number 3. What happens in Bangladesh for climate change? Hotter summer, irregular monsoon, erosion, floods, waterlogging, storm, drought, landslide. Homework. Your homework from today's lesson. Write 3 slogans to make people aware of the problems of climate change. 1 are done for you. 1. Good environment is good health. So dear students, stay healthy, stay safe, stay at home, maintain the health guidelines given to us by government. I hope you enjoy today's lecture. Thank you.